So quickly looking at the next cause of multiple myeloma, we are looking at how radiation and radiotherapy can actually cause multiple myeloma. Okay, radiation and or radiotherapy, sorry, is actually the same thing they are talking about. So this one we're trying to say that some patients they are undergoing radiation therapy to treat a different disease condition. So this can now land them into multiple myeloma as a side effect. Okay, so what's the linkage? So you can see that risk factors for multiple myeloma is exposure to radiation is just one of it. Okay, just one of it. So if you have been exposed to radiation therapy, especially high doses, there's a risk of you developing multiple myeloma. Okay, so radiation as a risk factor. Okay, what's the connection? So DNA damage. So ionizing radiation can cause mutations in bone marrow cells, including plasma cells. Okay, so over time it leads to malignant transformation. So latency period, radiation induced multiple myeloma typically develops years, okay, even decades after you have been exposed to the radiation. The occupational environmental exposure, so some people just where they work, okay, they have been exposed to radiation. This is due to the nature of their job. Okay, they can also develop multiple myeloma later on in life. So radiotherapy is for cancers, okay, while radiation is more of like for any other condition, you know. So it's using stem cell transplant, you know. It can affect bone marrow and increased, you know, possibilities of the person having cancers. Okay, so I think basically that's it. Okay, so basically it's not really a major cause. Do you understand? It's not a major cause, but it's something that you just discuss if you are trying to discuss everything as related to multiple myeloma.